So students, let us start with the example of the Taylor series expansion. Here I have written one example, observe it carefully. Find the Taylor series expansion of the function f of z equal to 1 by z about the point z equal to 2. So we have first your function f of z, it is written as 1 by z. I will find out the value of the function at the point z equal to 2. So I have written here f of 2 value, which is 1 by 2. Go forward, derivative of the function f dash of z, derivative of 1 by z, it is nothing but minus 1 by z square. So f dash of 2, first derivative at the point z equal to 2, which is minus 1 by 2 square. One more time, if I go for the derivative f double dash of z, which is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 divided by z cube. So that f double dash of 2, this value will be 2 by 2 cube. So now I have found the values up to the third order derivative. Now by the Taylor series expansion, we know that f of z, it is nothing but f of a plus f dash of a z minus a plus f double dash of a by 2 factorial z minus a whole square plus f triple dash of a at a by 3 factorial z minus a whole cube plus so on up to infinity. Instead of the point a, I will substitute the value as equal to 2. So 1 by z, it will be equal to f of 2 plus f dash of 2 z minus 2 f double dash of 2 by 2 factorial z minus 2 whole square and so on. Instead of f of 2, now I have substituted the value. F of 2 value by the function, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, I have written the value for f of 2. F dash of 2 value, it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 square. So I have written z minus 2 written as it is. F double dash of 2 value, that is 2 by 2 cube. Z minus 2 whole square by 2 factorial written as it is. This is the value for F double dash of 2. And so on, I have written the third order derivative value also. So if you try to simplify this function, this series now, it is in terms of powers of z minus 2. So this required series, it will be called as the Taylor series expansion of the function about the point z equal to 2. The same expansion we can write. The same expansion we can write by the another form, that is nothing but by another method by using the substitution. So observe it now. I will be writing alternate method. Within the alternate method, note the point, you want to find the series expansion. You want to find the series expansion about the point z equal to 2. Z equal to 2 means within your series expansion, you must have the terms of the type z minus 2. So I will write, let omega be any variable as equal to z minus 2. If omega is equal to z minus 2, obviously what will happen? Z value is nothing but 1 plus omega plus 2. Now I will write your function, observe it. Your f of z value, it is 1 by z. I will write it as 1 by omega plus 2. I will write it as 1 by 2 plus omega. Take out 2 common from the denominator. So this value will be 1 by 2 taken out common, 1 plus omega by 2. Now I will expand this function, which is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 1 plus omega by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 plus omega by 2 whole power minus 1. Observe the series expansion. Already within the previous video, I have told you the Maclaurin series expansion. Use that expansion and expand this term. So now I am writing the expansion, which is 1 by 2 times 1 minus, as this is the plus value here, the series you will be getting the alternate series, and the value 1 minus omega by 2 plus omega by 2 whole square minus omega by 2 whole cube plus so on up to infinity. But we know that omega, it is nothing but the value z minus 2. So let us resubstitute the value z minus 2 by 2 plus z minus 2 whole square by 4 minus z minus 2 whole cube by 8 plus so on up to infinity. If you multiply this 1 by 2 in the bracket, this will be equal to 1 by 2. So I will write this side as 1 by z equal to 1 by 2 minus z minus 2 by 4 plus z minus 2 whole square by 8 minus z minus 2 whole cube by 16 plus so on up to infinity, which is nothing but your required Taylor series expansion. Observe that within the Taylor series expansion, you note the powers of z minus 2. The powers of z minus 2 are all positive powers. Look at the power here. Z minus 2 power 0, z minus 2 power 1, z minus 2 whole square, z minus 2 whole cube. That means within the Taylor series expansion, all powers you will be getting as the positive powers. Okay. So this is your required Taylor series expansion about the point z equal to 2. Thank you.